Hi, Abdi. This is your news. So, again, just in response to a couple of things online, you didn't need to ken fit it is, but again, there's just a wee bit of fechting going on, and I'm just trying to do the best for Scots. I'm just, again, a journalist trying to make a wee bit of difference, and the things that I'm nae after is folk fechting. I'm a pacifist. I don't like any type of fechting. Didn't want any beef with anybody. So, here's my wee tune. It's put till the tune of Tatties and Herring, if you ken that een, but I've changed all the words. And as seen was skrive a couple of years in. You'll find other versions of it online that I've done, but that's my aim and can enjoy it and spread it around if you like it. Oh, ye folk o' the world, can ye see fits a dee? There is money a fecht, and we've turned to blenny, with peace and harmony, nae pair to your learning. My father I tell't me, nae need for fechten, nae need for fechten, nae need for fechten. My father I tell't me, nae need for fechten. Okay, there's more to that song, and if you stick online, you'll find it. But I wouldn't bore Abdi with all the rest of the verses of new. But again, there's just no need for fechting. Let's all just get along and again,